Alright guys, I want to show you a little bit more about fractions. So when we're talking about fractions, we're just talking about parts of a whole. This is one whole shaded area. It's not folded, it's not divided anywhere, it's one whole shaded area. When on the video he told you to fold the piece of paper in half, you then created one half. It is folded directly in the middle. This piece is equal to this piece, so this is one half and this is one half. So essentially you have two halves. One half and one half equal one whole. He then told you to fold it in half again here and here, and you created fourths. You had four pieces, which is why they're called fourths. This yellow box is 1/4. If I were to color in this box yellow and this box yellow and this box yellow, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths, which equals one whole because they are the same length. At another point in the video, he talks about sixths. It's sixths because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of a whole. As you can see, these are the same length. If I colored in all 6 of these this green color, then I would have a whole again. I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see that we're not changing the size of the shape, we're just splitting it up into different pieces. I'll go back to fourths. If you look at this, let's pretend this pink part is a candy bar. This is one whole candy bar. And you have to choose between whether you would have half of the candy bar, or would you rather be given only 1/4 of the candy bar? Well, I like candy bars, so I would rather be given half of the candy bar rather than 1/4 of the candy bar because the half is bigger. Okay, actually I'd rather be given the whole thing, but if I had to choose between a half and 1/4, I'd rather be given the half because it is bigger. One other thing I want to show you is that on the video, they keep saying 1/2, and it's written like this. A lot of times in math, you're going to see it written like this. 1/2. This line we like to say it's called out of. 1 out of 2 pieces, which would look like this. 1 out of 2. Or you could say here, here's my 1. It takes 2 halves to make up 1. Okay. Also, they say 1/3. We like to write that as 1/3. Again, 1 piece out of 3. So that would look like it takes 3 of these thirds to make up one whole. He also says 1/4, which we would write as 1/4, which would look like 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 fourths to make up one whole. I know this is a lot more difficult than if I were actually showing you, but all we're talking about are equal parts of a whole. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help you.